IBM AI Developer. Professional certificate review is one of the most searched topics for anyone who wants to start a career in artificial intelligence. In this video, I'll explain what you get, who it's for, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. If you decide this program is right for you, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access the certificate and thousands of other career programs. The IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate is designed for beginners who want to build practical AI development skills. You don't need previous AI or programming experience. The program is self-paced and can help you become job-ready in about 6 months. The certificate includes 10 courses covering artificial intelligence, generative AI, prompt engineering, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Flask, and AI application development. You'll also learn how to build AI-powered chatbots, web applications, and intelligent software using modern AI tools and frameworks. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its hands-on approach. Instead of only learning theory, you'll complete real projects. You'll build AI applications, create chatbots, develop a portfolio website, and work with large language models. These projects help you build a portfolio you can show employers. Another major benefit is the IBM Credential. After completing the program, you'll earn an industry-recognized professional certificate and an IBM digital badge. You can add both to your LinkedIn profile and resume to demonstrate your AI skills. The program also includes career guidance and interview preparation. Now let's talk about value. Many learners purchase individual AI courses, but the costs can add up quickly if you want to complete multiple professional certificates. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top universities. Overall, the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate is an excellent choice for beginners who want practical, job-ready AI development skills. The hands-on projects, modern AI tools, and IBM Credential make it one of the best AI certificates available on Coursera. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.